I have advised the Governor General in accordance with Section 64(5) of the Constitution to dissolve Parliament on Thursday, August 13, 2020. Acting on my advice, the Governor General is expected to take the necessary steps required by Section 64(1) of the Constitution to dissolve the Parliament by proclamation. I now further advise, in exercise of the powers conferred upon me by Section 21(1) of the Representation of the People Act, the following notice is hereby given. 1. This notice may be cited as the Representation of the People Act, Appointment of Nomination Day, Notice 2020. And 2. Tuesday, the 18th day of August 2020 is appointed as Nomination Day. This notice has been gazetted today, Tuesday, the 11th day of August 2020. Consequently, the date fixed for the taking of the polls, that is the general elections for the year 2020, is therefore Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020. Mr. Speaker, we will be quick. We will be efficient. We will be peaceful. And I raise this issue here in Parliament. This government, under my leadership, seeks no confrontation with any other political party. Mr. Speaker, this must be the most peaceful election. We are having an election in a pandemic. I know that both parties' representatives have met, and I'm hoping that shortly the protocols which are developed by the Ministry of Health, finalized by both political parties. Once that is done, then I will place them in the Disaster Risk Management Act as orders, which means consequences will flow for breaches. It is very difficult. I have been on the road. I have seen it. I take this opportunity to appeal to supporters of both political parties that it is important that politics does not become a cause of the spread. So, the kind of campaign to which we are accustomed may not be the campaign that will materialize. So if you don't get your hug or your wave or your squeeze or, you know, all the things that make Jamaican politics so exciting and thrilling, don't feel no way. Because there are persons who may not appreciate immediately that we have to campaign in a different way. So, Mr. Speaker, it is all a new time for us with new measures that have to be in place. But I'm certain that on both sides, the political capital and will exist to ensure that the campaign is done according to the agreed upon measures. So, Mr. Speaker, I have decided to announce the elections here in Parliament, because it is important that this House, which is the People's House, though divided by an aisle, is not a house of disunity. And in a time of crisis, unity must prevail. So, Mr. Speaker, I am coming to the House asking that we are united as a country. We go to elections, but we must always bear in mind now, united to fight the pandemic. And I therefore use this platform to appeal to the Jamaican people. Let us remain united. Let us remain as one people. There is always differences in opinion, and you have in your democracy the right to vote as you choose. But you can do so agreeably, peacefully, and responsibly. Let us do it together as one people, as we march on to prosperity in the new Jamaica that we all want to see. God bless Jamaica, land we love.